Save this video if you want to learn how to install the cameras on the brake and hide the wire. This is one I'm installing in the very cold weather on a brake outside. So the first thing you will do it, you will fish the wire and bring it. So make sure, as you can see, the other camera, their cables are visible, but our is not. The second important thing, whenever you're installing the cameras, make sure you use the back box, which is called a junction box. That help the camera to avoid any moisture in the winter time or whenever there is a heavy rain is going on. This one I'm installing the Ethernet connector and I'm installing the IP cameras. So, and then as soon as you install the Ethernet connector, then you put all the wire inside in the junction box and make it screws. So guys, watch the rest of the videos and give us a call if you need any help for the camera installation. Please make sure to follow and like our page so more and more videos can come to you. Thank you very much and enjoy your day.
This is for you.